So again, I'm working through another video and I thought I would take a moment out just to share with you a particular timestamp that I come across on the regular that you may not have seen before or have seen and thought, what is this? So I am talking about this particular timestamp here, which is a really long number. In fact, it's 13 digits. Now, it also comes in the flavor of 10 digits, and what it represents is either the number of seconds or the number of milliseconds from 1970, sometimes referred to as Unix time, Epoch time. It's always in UTC. So no time zone applied, and it does have a small downfall, or a couple actually. One being that it doesn't include leap seconds, which are totally a thing. You should look them up. It's freaky. They just add an extra second, so you get 61 seconds in a minute. And if you are using a really old school system, it is susceptible to a similar sort of Y2K bug. I think it's the 2038 bug. If you do come across an Epoch or Unix time, they're super easy to convert, and I'll take you through that in the actual video, which I'll be sharing.